All right, so welcome back, everybody. Hopefully, you guys had an awesome winter break and a great New Year's. So, hopefully, you guys had all these great plans to accomplish in the new year. And we're going to start off this year, 2018, strong. So, let's go ahead and get right back in the conic sections. And I always like to talk about what are the applications of some of the things we learn. That way, we're not just kind of taking in this information that seems irrelevant to our lives. So let's talk about an example with ellipses. For example, there is such thing called a whispering gallery. And these are rooms in which the ceilings are elliptical shaped, and a sound made at one focus can be heard very clearly at the other focus. And so we notice that the focus are the points inside of these ellipticals, because remember, these ellipticals are going to be kind of engulfing these foci. So any sound made at the focus will rebound off the elliptical ceiling and pass through the other focus. So that's one kind of cool thing that we can use with, what's that word I'm looking for? Acoustics. So another application of ellipses would be an elliptical billiards table that works on the same principle. Now, the pockets of these elliptical billiards table are positioned at each of the focal points. When a ball passes over the other focal point, regardless of which point on the ellipse it bounces off of, it will always pass over the other focal point. Now, why are parabolas important? Well, a real-world example of a parabola would be Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant passes the ball to his teammate during the second game of the season. He throws it up and away to make it across the court without an interference. It goes up 7 feet in the air, and it gets 22 feet across the court to his teammate, Steve Nash. So this is another example of the trajectory that the ball is taking as he gets the assist to Steve Nash. Another example would be just last weekend when I went snowboarding and I went off this really cool jump. So I want to show you this video of an example of a parabola.
Woo! Thank you.
Mr. Leon, wake up.